The color of the year exerts a powerful influence, impacting everything from high-fashion runways to everyday home decor. These annual selections are the result of rigorous analysis by experts who consider global trends, social issues, and even upcoming movies. Understanding how these influences are translated into color choices can help designers and homeowners alike leverage these predictions in their projects. In this video, we'll explore different tiles you can incorporate into your home to match the warmth and elegance of this year's color, Mocha Mousse. The Havenwood Saddle Chevron Mosaic Porcelain Tile features a warm beige and cream palette in a stylish chevron pattern, creating a sophisticated wood look. Its hues perfectly complement the Mocha Mousse, making it ideal for flooring, backsplashes, and more. The Lune Frappy Matte 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch glass tile features square chips arranged obliquely, creating a dynamic and graphic effect. Crafted from recycled glass, these tiles are both durable and eco-friendly. The neutral hues and matte finish make them versatile for diverse applications. While not as deeply brown as the Mocha Mousse, Lune Frapp's subtle taupe tone complements the cooler shades within the 2025 color of the year, creating a harmonious and contemporary color scheme. The Sinfonia Piano Camel 4.5 inch by 9 inch porcelain tile features a 3D fluted design, adding depth and texture. Its soft brown hue, reminiscent of Mocha Mousse, provides a lighter, modern touch. Ideal for bathroom backsplashes, accent walls, and more, both indoors and out. The matte beige hexagon porcelain tile offers a soft, neutral tone that complements various designs. Its matte finish and hexagonal shape add a modern feel. The beige hue aligns with Mocha Mousse, making it perfect for larger applications like flooring, kitchen backsplashes, bathrooms, and even outdoor patios. The Graffiti Nolita Sunset 2 inch by 18 inch porcelain tile introduces an orange tint, adding a lively touch in line with the Mocha Mousse. Its linear format and matte finish make it suitable for kitchen backsplashes, pool waterlines, and showers. This tile's orange-brown tone complements Mocha Mousse, creating a dynamic and harmonious color scheme. Extend this color scheme outdoors. Explore various porcelain paver options to upgrade your patio and pool deck with the warmth of Mocha Mousse. The Lucas Betula Wood Look Porcelain Paver evokes Mocha Mousse with its blend of deep brown and subtle gray tones. This 12 inch by 48 inch tile creates a sophisticated and timeless patio that exudes warmth and elegance. The Montauk Nocha Porcelain Paver, reminiscent of Mocha Mousse, boasts the charm of weathered wood. Its 16 inch by 48 inch format is perfect for patios, walkways, and pool decks. This durable and low-maintenance paver offers warm, nutty brown tones, creating a timeless and inviting outdoor space. While Mocha Mousse evokes warmth, the Mystique Multicolor Porcelain Paver offers a vibrant alternative. This 24 inch by 24 inch paver features a captivating blend of colors, from warm creams and browns, reminiscent of Mocha Mousse, to cool grays and hints of charcoal. It creates a stunning canvas for patios, walkways, and pool decks. Incorporate tiles like Havenwood Saddle, Sinfonia Piano Camel, matte beige hexagon, and Graffiti Nolita Sunset to embrace Pantone's 2025 color of the year, Mocha Mousse. These tiles offer a rich blend of warm browns, neutrals, and vibrant accents that harmonize beautifully with Mocha Mousse. Whether you choose subtle textures or bold hues, these tiles provide endless possibilities for kitchens, bathrooms, and outdoor spaces.